When temperatures drop, the water inside your plumbing lines don't care what season it is. It expands when it freezes. That expansion builds pressure until something gives, fittings crack, seals fail, or the pump lid splits wide open. Here's the simple truth. Moving water doesn't freeze, still water does. When your pump is running, even at a low speed, that circulation creates friction and keeps the water temperature just high enough to prevent freezing. That's why I always recommend keeping your pool pump running 24/7 whenever temperatures get close to freezing. If your system has built-in freeze protection, that's great. Your system will kick on whenever it gets cold. But if it doesn't, you need to be the freeze protection. Turn it on, let it run, and don't shut it off until the weather warms back up. And honestly, even whenever it's warm out, I love keeping pumps running 24/7. You don't have to. Plenty of people just run their pump half the day. But constant movement keeps your water cleaner, helps your chemicals work better, and saves you the stress of wondering if it's running long enough. It's one of those habits that keeps your pool trouble-free all year long. Here's a few quick checks that make a big difference. Make sure your pump lid is sealed tight. Even a small air leak can let ice start forming. If you haven't checked yours lately, add a little silicone O-ring lube. It helps keep that seal perfect and prevents tiny leaks that lead to freezing. Keep your equipment pad protected from wind. Cold air moving across plumbing freezes things fast. And if you want an extra layer of safety, drop something in the pool that floats, like a foam noodle or ball. It gives ice somewhere to expand, taking pressure off your walls and tile if it gets really cold. If you don't already have one handy, I'll link a simple float down below. I'll also link that silicone O-ring lube down below in the description. So here's the takeaway. If the weather's near freezing, run your pump and keep the water moving. A few extra dollars on your electric bill is way cheaper than new plumbing or a cracked filter housing. You'll avoid that $2,000 mistake and keep your pool perfectly safe all winter long. If you want to see exactly how to keep your pool clear all winter without wasting a single ounce of chemicals, check out this video.